stroke patient na tulungan ng Elixir Placenta. Panoorin natin ito.
A testimony of a stroke patient taking Elixir Placenta.
Layo-layo nyo. Yan.
Tukod ka sa upuan.
Yun. Oh. Oh. Oh, kita nyo, oh. Oh. Ayan. Hey, yo. Oh. Lakad na konti. Oh. Oh. Ayos na. Tama na. At baka...
After taking Elixir Placenta for 14 days, here's the result. See his progress as he takes the Elixir Placenta continuously. After consuming 1 bottle of Elixir
Ayan,
Placenta, the
kapitbahay
client now
na
can walk comfortably.
Kuya Egnoy nang walang gabay. Oh, ayan daw, kung pwede na daw ubusin ng isang gatang na sinaing.
Stroke happens when the blood supply to the part of the brain is blocked or reduced. Ang Elixir Placenta ay may active ingredient na patented radiola at ito ay nakakatulong para tumaas ang oxygen content sa ating blood. Ini-improve nito ang pag-supply ng oxygen sa ating heart, liver, and kidneys. Meron din itong active ingredient na rice bran oil. Nire-reduce naman nito ang levels ng ating bad cholesterol at pinapataas naman nito ang ating good cholesterol. Alam mo naman, kapag mataas ang cholesterol level natin, it enters to our bloodstream and can cause a buildup of fatty deposits in our arteries, which can be narrow and stiff. Possible tayong magkaroon ng stroke. Para maiwasan ito, it is highly recommended to take Elixir Placenta. This is Climar 14, nurse at your service. Follow for more health tips.